Silicon Valley, California. We have it all here. The beaches, the restaurants, the beautiful sceneries, the beautiful mountains. There's so much to do in the Bay Area, and if you want to be the next Mark Zuckerberg or the next Elon Musk, you need to be here. And yes, it can be expensive. However, I can't wait to show you this property, ideal for first-time home buyers. Let's take a tour. Come on in. Welcome to this beautifully maintained townhouse that features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Many amenities surround this home, including dual pane windows and custom Hunter Douglas blinds, recessed lighting throughout, and a low maintenance enclosed patio for your enjoyment. Ideally located within walking distance to schools, shops, restaurants, and much more. Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw yourself, it's such a gorgeous property, ideal for first-time home buyers. Now, if you have any questions, you know who to call. I'm your real estate resource here in the Silicon Valley. I'll talk to you soon.